we've had this calf in here for a while so she wouldn't get out, but we're gonna do some welding over there to that pen so you can put them in there with those cows so you can use this bone choogy and stuff. So
probably can just go from like here to the bend and then put up a panel for the rest.
I think you hold that there.
I would love to.
Oh, right there, 21 feet.
Okay.
So
So probably if we just do 25, we'll just go back this way a little bit further. And then maybe just put the pig panel over here on this last little spot, do you think?
sure.
Let's measure how far this is. I think the pig panel is 16 feet.
I have auto mark. We're gonna go about 6 inches up with the sucker rod. Mark that right there. We'll put the bottom of the sucker rod on that and see if that deters the calves from jumping out a little bit more. Do one right there on that. I'll back it on the end and then I'll let you. Okay. I'll back it on the ends and then I'll let you do the hole. Okay, turn around a little bit more. Okay, that's good on that one. That's good on that one. Go on that one. Try to wrap it all the way around.
Thought it would be pretty good.
Yeah.
So the boys got this manger all fixed up last night, just with these little calves in here. We didn't want the mangers to where the calves could just run out through them, so we had this this pipe here they added to it about 6 inches up. We only had 25 feet of it left from when we did the top. So then Otto just had like this pig panel left over from when he had goats. So we just kind of closed in the rest with that. We were out of wire, so we just used twine for now, but tomorrow when we have the day off from work, we'll get some more wire and use wire instead of twine. So we got those 2 cute little calves in there together, which means our catch pen over here is empty again. So we can run the bulls into there and then load them out the loading chute there. We're gonna get bulls loaded up to go to Nephi tonight, so Otto can get some practice. That Red Bull Fire, he hasn't been bucking very good lately. He's got like some problems with his neck and stuff, so we're gonna give him a couple weeks off. If we can sort him off and not bring him with, that's what we're gonna do. Over here at Cooper Jacobs' place, Otto's riding the buckrite. Check out Cooper's, I don't know, what would you call it, Otto, his man cave. Got a bunch of banners here. These are the rules for riding bulls here at Jacobs. And Cooper's got a bunch of other cool stuff in here.
We're giving him a shot so he feels better.
I'll give him that one on the other side.
If I'm not really dancing with my body, my heart is like,
Yeah.
always.
You can let him out if you want to.
Hi, Otto.
Want to face close up?
Yeah.
This is Fire. We had to put him in this pen because he's not been looking as good. He's not been bucking very good, so we got some grain and stuff we're gonna give him, try and get him feeling a little better. We're gonna give him a little break from bucking, so try and get him feeling a little better, I guess. Dad, 2 scoops each?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, she's already knows it's coming. Can you hold this, please? Oh, yeah. Maybe back away. That's all you gotta do. Just gotta become one. That's why they call me the Bull King.
That's a cow.
The bucking cattle king.
So Otto's horse Oreo is usually in the pen over there with Dwight, and he died the other day. So we had to move Dwight over here with Smokey for a day or two. And those 2 horses do not get along. Really, Smokey doesn't get along with anybody. But Dwight must have decided he was out of there because last night he was just out running around the yard. Luckily, Marv there started barking, so we knew something was going on. So we're gonna show Otto, best we can figure, where he got out. You can kind of see on the back of the manger there, like some dirt dragged across the side of it. I think that's where because he fights with his brown horse and they were in together. And there's just kind of on the other side here, some deep tracks. Where it looks like he must have came over, so. Hopefully he hasn't learned that that's a new trick. We put him back over there by himself again, but hopefully he hasn't learned that new trick and does it a lot now. We'll see.
If so, we can just put him in the arena.
Yeah. Smokey, quit being such a jerk. Smokey's such a dang good horse, but he's kind of a jerk to anybody you put in the pen with him.
Keep going right there.
Yep.
We could go for the FBI. Be secret detectives.
We could be. We're like really good at research
Research.
and tracking
This
down.
is real detective work. We could be like tracking
Yeah.
wild, crazy people on the loose. It's gonna be the best pitcher in the league. Gonna have 18 no-hitters on the season.
Well, they call you the baseball king too.
Yeah. They pretty much just call me the king of everything.
Yeah. Who's they?
Hi,
I'm just wondering who's they.
the world. Mostly Fire and Marv,
Yeah.
my best friends. Ooh. I'm too good. I'm too good for the game. drag that we made a couple of years ago. Just for a little arena here and put it on the back of our four-wheeler. It works pretty good. At first we had all these on this other side here, and they all just kept popping off. So we decided to put them on this side, help keep them on there a little better. I have to flip this over to pull it over here so it doesn't dig all the way across our yard, but we're wanting to put some tires on here so you don't have to flip it over because it's pretty heavy. We want to be able to adjust it up to be able to drag it and then pull it out. This is our arena here we made a couple of years ago. So we haven't bucked in here in quite a while. And I used to get on steers, they'd all just smash me into the fence. And these wood fences, that doesn't feel very good, but this, now that I'm on bulls, it'd be fine, but, but this gate doesn't come open all the way. It doesn't open very good either. And then gets stuck. We don't have a right-hand delivery either, which that's what most of my bulls are. So. But we ride horses in it all the time. We like it for that quite a bit. So we still like it. This is the bucking chute we made. It really hurt when they leaned because while I was stuck right up against the boards, just like a ball, then kind of hard to get out of too. Here's our slide sheet. Looks pretty good. And then our catch pen. We're hoping that in the next couple of years we can get like some nice pre-fruit bucking chutes or put in here somewhere. So hopefully work a little better. Buck all my bulls out of here. We got this arch here we made out of some telephone poles we got from my grandpa. He used to work for the power company, and we got an old steer head from one of the steers I used to ride that we're gonna probably put up there. So yeah, tell us what you think, I guess. Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure that if you're looking for rodeo gear, go to Rodeo Mart and use my code AutoSRN10 for 10% off. And make sure you get one of these cowboy fidget spinners off my website.